by Dorset Ford in Marshall, Illinois, your Super Duty and F-150 headquarters.
Now, your local weather authority with Chief Meteorologist Jesse Walker.
Welcome back, everybody. Thanks to Kim Gordon over in Effingham, Illinois. This was Fayette Avenue where this happened, but you can obviously see the car trying to go through this area, drowned the car out, flooded the car out. This was a scene I'm sure we saw in a few other places around the area, mostly south of I-70 a little bit, from southern Vigo County all the way back towards Effingham. But Effingham got a lot of rain over there as well. One of the scenes of the flooding that has taken place. The good news, things should start to improve some tonight, and we should see a break in this weather pattern, not only here, but across much of the country as we head into the next few days. And we'll talk about that here in just a little bit. I talked about the flood areas south of I-70 from Terre Haute down to Effingham. This area that you see shaded in red remains under flash flood warnings, different expiration times, but that's the area right there. Now, there's been rain in other places, but it was kind of heaviest right along and just south of Interstate 70, and we continue with those areas. You can see here far southern Vigo into northern Sullivan. This continues until 11:45, so not a whole lot longer. And then back in Illinois till about 11:30 your time, extending back towards the Effingham area. So it's that corridor right there where we continue with the flash flood warning. Now, there's some pretty good rains now in the southern and southeastern counties, but this is going to be moving on. Now, no warnings, no flash flood warnings for any of those areas, but there's still some pretty good rain, some lightning in the southern areas. North of the interstate, though, not as much rain fell there today as it did along and south of Interstate 70. Temperature-wise, though, we warmed up nicely today. We hit 84 for the daytime high. 65 has been the low. 94, though, the record high, and 35 is your record low. The next thing would be the rain. Look at this. 2.45 inches here at the television station. We're up to 7.91 for the month. 5 is normal. I looked it up. At least here at the TV station now, this is the wettest May we've had since '09. So it's the wettest May we've seen in a decade here. And, of course, we still got a couple more days of the month, although the rain chances are going to start to dry up. 23.68 for the year, running a surplus of more than 5 inches for the year. Sunrise, sunset for tomorrow, that's 14 hours, 44 minutes of daylight. River Stage and rising in Terre Haute at 17.4 feet. Currently in Terre Haute, 66, relative humidity pretty high, obviously at 93%. Winds are light and the pressure's coming up some now at 29.85. Temperatures pretty much in the 60s all across the area right now. You can see the deep moisture to the south moving up, but notice behind it, this is some drier air back here. That's what we're going to start to see move into the area, and the pattern is going to finally shut down, not only here, but across the nation's midsection, which has been hit really hard with severe weather and tornadoes. We think the pattern is about to break across the country, at least for the next few days. You can see the rain across the area tonight. Here's a closer look, and the good news is back here, the rain is not as heavy. It's diminishing some. There's still some rain back here, and it's going to rain for a little bit, but the heaviest of the rain moving through the area right now. Once again, Dorset Automotive Doppler radar. You can see the heaviest of the rain, southern, southeastern counties, but there's still rain across much of the region now. That will tend to taper some overnight. See this as we get into the early morning hours of tomorrow, and then scattered about tomorrow, mostly in the first part of the day with a few scattered showers towards evening, but kind of tapering off as the day goes on. And so by tomorrow night at this time, we're pretty much about done with rain. And as we get into the day Friday, things look good. Look at this. Friday, we get a break. Temperatures will not be bad. Looks like a dry day, and I think it will stay that way into early on Saturday. Technically, tonight, we're still at what we call a slight risk of severe weather. It does not look likely we're going to see much in the way of any trouble with severe weather other than some additional rain that is falling out there. The wind right now out of the south, but watch what happens by Friday. The winds will change over to the north. That brings in the drier air as we wrap up the work week. So Friday looks pretty good. Look at this. This is Friday night. Saturday starts okay, but a cold front right there comes in by Saturday evening. So Saturday starts okay. Later in the day Saturday, a chance of some showers and storms. But then by Sunday into Monday into Tuesday, we get a stretch of some drier, cooler weather before another chance of rain gets in here by about, say late Tuesday, Wednesday of next week. So here's the way the forecast looks for tonight then. Showers and storms will continue, although tending to taper some later tonight. 65 for the overnight low. Tomorrow, scattered showers and storms mostly early, then tapering off later in the day, a high of 79. Friday looks like a good day, dry day. A chance of some thunderstorms back in here late Saturday with a cold front. Behind that, look at those temperatures. 73 for the high Monday, lows in the 50s, but some dry weather for Sunday, Monday, and probably most of Tuesday. So some better weather just around the corner. Let's head over to Grant.
Hey, thanks, Jeff.